I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've been overcharged on Instacart, getting a refund can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order history. Step 2. Go to your orders. Navigate to the orders section, usually found in a menu. Here, you can view all your past orders and their details. Step 3. Select the order. Find and select the order where you notice the overcharge. Tap on it to view the order details, including item prices and total charges. Step 4. Report an issue. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Instacart link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your request. After filling out the necessary information, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation email or notification shortly after. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If you don't see the refund in a few days, check your spam folder for any communication from Instacart. I hope this helped you get your money back quickly.